What is going on, guys, and welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be doing a couple of things. First thing first is my boy broke ZL1. He's over there. He has his ZL1 up on the lift, and we're going to be doing just a quick little oil change on it. And then finally, after waiting for about 5 months to get my torque converter back, and well, first I had to get out and get shipped out, but I've been real busy with work. But finally got it out, got it shipped out about a month ago. And got my converter in from Pro Torque Converters. There it is. Just a little black torque converter. Got the race car in the shop. It's over there, just hanging out, waiting to be worked on. But anyways, we're gonna get right into this, get the ZL knocked out, so we can get the Camaro, or so we can get the Foxbody lift and get the transmission. So maybe here in a couple weeks, we can go out and make some hits and see what this car is going to do in a new converter change. Hey guys, so we got the race car up on the lift. I've never, even shown y'all underside of the car. Let me see what it's like. So here is kind of just like the underside. I mean, all it is just bars and a rear end and shocks and all that. Nothing really fancy. It's kind of just a bare bones drag car. There ain't no kind of fancy sensors or nothing like on this car. It's just pretty basic. Double frame rail 2 chassis car. But yeah, that's pretty much it. Got the converter over here from PTC. Just put some fluid down the converter. And here's my transmission. It's just a 2-speed power glide reed case transmission. Like I said, it's just a simple setup. And we're gonna get this thing up in there so we can go racing and see what this old girl's gonna do with a converter change.
Welcome to the Zeb Wisnat Racing channel. Be sure to go look up the guy broke ZL1 on YouTube, and yeah, go subscribe, go watch videos.
He's the one who just changed the oil in the car.
Just changed the oil in that car, actually.
That slow ass fucking Camaro.
The stock V6.
Bro, I would give you 14 cars in the hit and the quarter mile, and I'd still have your ass by the quarter with this. By the quarter. This motherfucker. This motherfucker. If you pay me good enough money, I will. You just gotta pay me. Yeah. Put back a little bit. Keep it straight. Hang on, let me go up some. Alright, straighten up.
This straight. I never changed anything.
Alright, there you go. Cut it.
I'm
Cut
sure.
it. Big cut. Come on.
Big cut.
Yeah, you're perfect right there.
Right here. Alright guys, so you can see we got the race car out in the daylight. Got the transmission all in it. I mean, it's pretty small there. It's pretty simple put transmission. I gotta tighten up a couple bell housing bolts and get a couple things wired up. Besides that, 2 weeks we're going out racing, see what it's hard to do. New converter change. We add a little bit more to the car power wise, and we're gonna see what it's gonna do. I'm excited. I know everybody else has been kind of sitting around waiting for me to send out the text saying, hey, let's go racing. But now we kind of finally are on the last step. Got to finish up a little odd ends, and then we're going out racing finally. Till the next video. Peace out.